Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Malibu key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right at the bottom, you need to turn the fob like this to see the bottom, and right here you see this small hole. And now when you find this small hole, insert the tip of the small flat screwdriver right here, twist it a little bit, and when you do that, this will crack open, and the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces. And when you separate it into two pieces like this, right here you see your old dead battery. To remove the battery, again, it's very easy, just with your finger or with the tip of the small flat screwdriver, just from here, push the battery down and you'll be able to remove it. And when you remove the battery here in the same place, just slide your new battery over here, and also make sure the positive side here is facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and now snap them together. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.